Control number 42318, please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is May Anasola. I'm 41 years old. I'm married. I have two boys, 16 years old and 3 years old. And I have daughter, 18 years old. And I have two sisters and I'm the eldest of the family.
What is your educational attainment?
I'm a high school graduate at Caloocan High School.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go back to Hong Kong for myself and for my future of my family.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
Yes, I have experience as a domestic helper for almost 2 years in Dubai, taking care of babies, newborn, and taking care of kids. And I have also experience of taking care of babies and elderly in Hong Kong for almost 5 years.
Aside from your daily household work, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
I do cooking and sewing.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
I cook Chinese food like steamed fish and vegetables, and for Filipino food, adobo and menudo.
Describe yourself as an housemaid.
I'm honesty and trustworthy and hardworking.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
I say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
They treat me as like family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear sir, ma'am, if ever you hire me as your domestic helper, I will do my best, and I promise to finish my contract for 2 years and more. Thank you.